Fístéip, is mis póidir grant agus is ghrianfgrafadóireachta.
Tá an áthas arm cúpla le ghrianfgrafadóireachta a roinnt libh.
For me, being a photographer means that I'm always looking for an interesting way to show stuff to people. Before you can make pictures, there are a few simple things to remember to do with your phone or tablet before you take the picture. Please ask an adult or teacher to help you if you don't know how to do any of it. For this example, I will use my phone. But most phones and devices with cameras on them are similar and have the same settings. However, if any of the settings we look at here are missing, don't worry, I'm sure your pictures will still be great. On your phone or tablet, we need to first open the camera app, then click into the settings. This looks like a little flower on my phone, there in the top right corner. Tap on the picture or photo menu and then choose the best quality photo setting. This can use a lot of memory on your device, so make sure there is plenty of room, especially as we may be taking a lot of pictures. This will make sure that if you want to print or display the picture, it will look its absolute best. In the same menu, you should be able to find and turn on the grid pattern. You may have to scroll down to find it. This grid is just 6 lines that sit on top of your picture on your device. You'll see them on your screen, but they don't come out on your picture. They will help you to compose the picture and to help you keep your horizon straight. The horizon is where the sky meets the ground, but don't worry about it if you're not outdoors. You don't really need it indoors. Composing the picture means whereabouts you're going to place what you're photographing in the picture, in the screen. Usually when you put what you were photographing on where the grid pattern lines meet each other, it means that you're going to end up with a strong picture. It's a hard and fast rule, and feel free to play around with it. It doesn't matter if you're slightly off the line or whatever, it doesn't matter. If you're indoors, make sure to support the phone or iPad on something. A table or a chair is good if you don't have a tripod. A selfie stick or the top of a tin may also help. This will make your pictures sharper and reduce shakiness. Now, this is kind of important. Turn off the flash. Pictures always look better without it, and daylight is just beautiful. And the last one, experiment. This is the most important thing of all to remember. To make an interesting picture, you must try photographing it in different ways. Standing up, kneeling down, or lying on the floor looking up. Try clicking from close up or from further back and see which one works out best for you. Photography task 2. Photograph your family members. The rules are: number 1, ask your family members to pose for you. They don't have to dress up, but if they do, all the better. They can be dressed in their best clothes or in fancy dress, or whatever way that you want them to. Maybe they could hold something that they really like, maybe a favourite toy or a picture of their grandparents or a flower or anything at all really. Number 2, take pictures of each person on their own in the following ways. Ask them to look straight at the phone or tablet. Ask them not to smile and then take a picture. Then ask them to smile and take a picture. And lastly, ask them to pull a funny face. Number 3, take a group picture of all of them. Wait for them to look at the phone or tablet together. Ask them to look straight at the phone or tablet. Ask them not to smile, take the picture. Ask them to smile, take the picture. And then ask them all to pull funny faces. I'd say that's going to be hilarious. Number 4, take pictures from different angles. Take a picture from the front. Take a picture from the side. Take a close-up of each face. Come back from it a little bit and take it from wide so that you can see the surroundings. Ask them to sit down, or maybe ask them to stand up. Maybe mix it up a bit, maybe have some standing and some sitting. But at the end of the day, have fun.